Hello. Welcome to the job site. Our crane operators are fully certified with the National Commission for the Certification of Crane Operators, or NCCCO for short. The NCCCO provides a standard that our operators follow, allowing us to provide you with safe operations. They have the knowledge and training to help get your job done right. No shortcuts and no hassle. Our crane trucks are updated with new cranes and rebuilt from the frame up. This provides peace of mind that the job will get done with safe equipment and safe operators. Our cranes are equipped with 40 feet of reach, overload protection, and an articulating boom to hit the hard spots on your job. Let us show you the Kozel Steel way on your next job. When we set steel, we work with you to ensure that it is up to your standards. Communication, hand signals, and coordination are the most important factors when dealing with crane sets. We place our bolted beam right into your foundation pockets, allowing you to keep moving forward with your project. Want more information about our bolted beam? Find out how it can save you time and money on kozelsteel.com. At Kozel Steel, you can rest assured that you are getting highly trained operators and the newest technology. We provide you with the tools for success and the ability to get one part of your job done with no headaches. Do you have more questions? Please contact one of our salespeople and experience the Kozel Steel way today.